Welcome to Outage Tracker. This tool provides regular outage updates and can be accessed by visiting centerpointenergy.com/outage tracker on your computer and mobile devices. The sidebar contains many tools, including a map legend and controls to customize your experience. The Summary tab shows you outages based on zip code, county, and city. With the Layers tab, you can filter what you view based on outages, weather, satellite, and our service territory. For additional personalized communications, click Get Alerts to enroll in CenterPoint Energy's Power Alert service. Click around to explore additional features and options. To report an outage, click on the red button on the bottom labeled Report. To find outages in your area, type your address into the Find a Location search bar at the top center of the page. Once your address populates, click Nearby Pins for outage details. Your associated outage will have information including your estimated restoration time and the number of customers impacted. To view the outage tracker, visit centerpointenergy.com/outage tracker.